celebrate the auspicious occasion of EID-AL-ADHA. Let us start this beautiful day by seeking the blessings of Almighty. I request everyone to be in the prayer position. I now request our principal ma'am to kindly share a few words with all of us.
Very good morning to all the parents, students and teachers on the eve of EID-AL-ADHA. I congratulate each one of you. This festival is a very sweet reminder of human sacrifice and how God blessed mankind for his ability to be able to sacrifice. This festival, which is also known as Bakrid, will be celebrated on 21st July. Every Goenkan is taught different human values, and sacrifice is a very important value that has to be taught right from the early years. Human beings learn to give up things to sacrifice for their loved ones. So this festival is celebrated to mark the element of sacrifice that mankind can make for each other. Wishing you all a great Eid Mubarak to everyone, to celebrate well with good food and with your dear ones. Thank you and happy Eid.
We all should be updated with the events happening around us. So let us listen to the news. The national news for day is heavy rain caused flash floods in Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh. The Minister for Road Transport and Highways said the consumer will now have a choice whether to buy petrol or ethanol at the petrol pump. Thank you.
International news is as follows. The President of USA, Joe Biden, nominates Aragar Seti as his envoy to India. Chinese astronauts complete first spacewalk at new station. Thank you.
It's time for the sports news now. Deepika Kumari won a record 3 gold medals at the 2021 Paris World Cup. In chess, 12-year-old Abhimanyu Mishra breaks youngest grandmaster record. Thank you. I will share the campus news with you. Special assembly on Raksha Bandhan will be held in August by class 2G. Thank you. Let us have a look at the weather today. Maximum temperature will be 34 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature will be 27 degrees Celsius. We might experience scattered thunderstorms in some places. Thank you.
Whatever we think eventually become our actions. So let us think positive. And here we present our thought of the day. God is the best listener. He hears even the very silent prayers of sincere hearts. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sanvi.
Hi, I'm Krisha.
My name is Inara Fatima. Hi, I am Myra.
And I am Ranj. Today we will be telling you all about EID-AL-ADHA.
EID-AL-ADHA is also known as Eid of Sacrifice. Muslims sacrifice an animal on this day. Muslim brothers all over the world celebrate this festival with great zeal and fervor.
Muslim men wear white kurtas and visit the neighborhood mosques to offer their prayers. Women at home prepare for the grand celebration. They prepare biryani and sheer, kurma and many more delicacies.
This festival reminds me of the story of a man named Ibrahim. Now we will watch the story behind this festival.
Ibrahim was a devotee of Allah. One night he had a dream. In his dream, Allah wanted him to sacrifice his 13-year-old son, Ismail. Ibrahim told his son about the dream and Ismail replied, "Do what Allah asks you to do. Allah knows what's best for us." Ibrahim could do anything for the sake of Allah. Then one day, Ibrahim blindfolded himself and was ready to sacrifice Ismail. On seeing his faith and willingness to sacrifice, Allah became very happy. He sent an angel and she replaced his son with a sheep. Allah protected his son, and since that day, Eid-al-Adha is celebrated as a remembrance of one of the greatest sacrifices in history.
I will always remember this story, and we all must thank the Almighty for all the blessings bestowed upon us. This festival teaches us to be loving, caring, sacrificing, and being patient and kind in our thoughts, words, and deeds.
Now our friend Muhammad Musa will offer namaz. Namaz are prayers offered to Allah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahmanir Rahim Malik Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in Ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin Amin. Allahu Akbar. Subhana Rabbil Azim, Subhana Rabbil Azim, Subhana Rabbil Azim. Allahu Akbar. Subhana Rabbil A'la, Subhana Rabbil A'la, Subhana Rabbil A'la. Allahu Akbar. Subhana Rabbil A'la, Subhana Rabbil A'la, Subhana Rabbil A'la. Allahu Akbar. At-tayyatu lillahi was-salawatu wat-tayyibatu. Assalamu alayka ayyuhan nabiyyu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alayna abadillah his-salihin. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah. Ameen. It was so soothing and peaceful. Thank you. It is now time to learn the 5 pillars of Islam. Shahada, which means there is no one worthy of worship except Allah and that Muhammad is his final messenger. We must pray to Allah 5 times a day.
Zakat, we must donate and give yearly charity to the people in need.
Yeah, we must fast during the month of Ramadan.
Hajj, going to Makkah and performing the pilgrimage. We, the student of class 2C, want to wish you all Eid Mubarak in our own unique way. May Allah give you strength to be always willing to sacrifice and submit to His wish and command at all times.
May Allah bless you with peace and good health. Wishing you a blessed Eid-AL-ADHA.
छोटी मोटी गलती माफ करो दिल को अपने साफ करो छोटी मोटी गलती माफ करो दिल को अपने साफ करो आगे बढ़कर ईद मिलो और कहो सब ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक हो सबको ईद मुबारक
ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक हो सबको ईद मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक हो सबको ईद मुबारक
सिला रही किया मेरे को हमें खुदा समझता होगा कथा ताल्लुक है आज जो भी हमें तो उनसे भी मिलना होगा वो चाहे जो हो अगर खफा हो करीब के हो या दूर के हो है फर्ज अपना कि ईद मिलने की पहले करना वो जो कोई हो
चाहे जो हो अगर खफा हो करीब के हो या दूर के हो फर्ज अपना ईद मिलने की पहल करना वो जो कोई हो
छोटी बड़ी गलती माफ करो ईद के दिन ये काम करो छोटी बड़ी गलती माफ करो ईद के दिन ये काम करो आगे बढ़कर ईद मिलो और कहो सब ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक हो सबको ईद मुबारक
ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक हो सबको ईद मुबारक
छोटी मोटी गलती माफ करो दिल को अपने साफ करो छोटी मोटी गलती माफ करो दिल को अपने साफ करो आगे बढ़कर ईद मिलो और कहो सब ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक हो सबको ईद मुबारक
ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक मुबारक ईद मुबारक हो सबको ईद मुबारक
The day is incomplete without the blessings of our headmistress, ma'am. Ma'am, please share a few words of encouragement.
A very good morning, dear Goenkans and our dear parents. We wish you all a very happy Eid and we hope you have enjoyed the assembly presented by class 2C on Eid-AL-ADHA. Dear children, every festival has a message and every festival has its unique ways of celebrating it. Eid-AL-ADHA has a message of sacrifice. It also has a message of sharing. Sharing whatever the Almighty or whatever you're fortunate to be blessed with the poor, with the needy, with your friends and family. So we hope you have got the message and we want you to follow it. We also want you to celebrate Eid by enjoying, by wearing new clothes, by wishing everyone and spreading a lot of joy with everyone. So Eid Mubarak everyone. We hope you have a great Eid. Thank you.